Hi guys, it's Lauren here from Beautique Realty. I'm currently at 69 Willowtree Drive in Flinders View and I'll show you guys through the property. So coming down, we've got a lovely space in the front yard with fresh mulch in the gardens leading all the way around the side. And over here we do have the two garage doors. So the one on the right does lead all the way through into the backyard. Just inside the front door here. To the right, we do have the garage. So we've got the two doors here and the one door leading out into the backyard, plus some extra storage space. So just inside here, we do have the main living area. So the entire property is freshly painted. And all rooms have brand new carpet apart from this one. This does have the original grey carpet. So just inside the hallway here a bit further, we've got the dining room. It is all open plan in here, so we've got the living area and family room here with the air conditioner and ceiling fan. And then over here we do have the lovely big kitchen. So it is electric cooking and stainless steel appliances. However, there is space for a dishwasher, however, there is not one included. So coming down here, the first bedroom on the right is the main bedroom. So we walk straight into the wardrobe. Into the bedroom. So it does have ceiling fans and an air conditioning unit. And in here, we've got the ensuite. So the next room down the hallway, just to the left here, bedroom number 2, so there is ceiling fans and the built-in wardrobe and brand new carpet. So directly across from that, there is the linen cupboard. And so here is bedroom number 3. So we do have the wardrobe just behind the door there, ceiling fans, and across from that, we have this lovely split bathroom. So we've got the vanity and the mirror here. And then the separate toilet and shower and bathtub. So just in here we've got bedroom number 4. So again, built-in wardrobe and ceiling fans. And then we have the laundry. So the laundry does have a door leading outside towards the clothesline. And I'll just take you guys outside to see the backyard. So it is a lovely big backyard. So we do have this patio entertaining area with a gate leading to the front yard. Got the rotary clothesline plus a garden bed in the back corner. Now the back fencing is all brand new and was only recently installed. So here's the door leading from the laundry. Down the steps over here. Okay, just around this side. You do have the access from the garage, plus the pedestrian gate there. If you guys would like to apply for this property, please give us a call on 0730504230 or apply online via our website. Thanks.